Hey everyone, this is MYR, and I'm excited to bring a brand new course here in FL Studio. This is going to be Pro Trance in FL Studio. We're going to be making a track from start to finish, an uplifting trance track. I'm going to be showing you all the tricks and techniques about how to get the most out of FL Studio and the plugins we're going to be using, including some third-party plugins that I think are going to be really helpful. So this is the track we're going to be making, but in addition to this kind of video portion of the course, you'll also, of course, have access to the template, to the project files, to the project bones, which includes all the presets and MIDI files so you can follow along. And we're also going to be doing Q&A as well, so you can join our live Q&A and chat with us and ask questions. So I think there are going to be a certain number of reserved spots for that section of the course, so we really encourage you to apply now before those spots run out. But of course, the rest of the video course will be around, and I'll be there to answer any questions in the forum. So take a listen to the track and come join me. So head on over to Ready for Masterclass. We'll provide a link in the description, and come make this track with us and help us help you make your own tracks. See ya.